Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Carbon dioxide cylinder. Carbon dioxide cylinder contains air. It contains gray body with black and white shoulders. Pressure is 2000 pounds square inch. The pin index of carbon dioxide cylinder is of two types. If it is less than 7%, if the carbon dioxide cylinder contains less than 7% of concentration, then pin index system is 1,6. If it contains less than 7%, actually if it contains more than 7%, then it is 1,6. If it contains less than 7%, then pin index system is 2,6. So pin index system of carbon dioxide cylinder, if the concentration is more than 7%, is 1,6. The concentration of carbon dioxide, if it is less than 7 percentage, then the pin index is 2,6.
thank you and thank you for watching.